Hey guys, Maggie here. Just wanted to give you some help for report cards. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So first thing you want to do is get to your campus page. You're just going to go ahead and log in. And it's going to bring you to this initial page. You're going to look over here on your left side. Sometimes these are collapsed like this, so it looks a little bit like, where do I go? And you don't want to click on the grading and standards because that would make too much sense to click on that one. So you're going to instead go to the student information drop-down. Then you're going to look at this little drop-down, the student standards or the JPS standards reporting, and you're going to click on the worksheet one. When that comes up, it's going to bring you to your first, hopefully your homeroom. Dual language, you're going to have access, generally speaking, to both rooms for their homerooms and a couple other things like reading and technology. So for example, this is my homeroom, 2002, and this is Miss Orozco's homeroom, 2003. So I'm going to click on mine, and you can see these descriptors are all coming up here. There's English as a second language, that's a yes or no. Dual language, yes or no. Attendance affecting work, yes or no. And conferences held with parents, yes or no. So what you can do to make your life a little bit easier is you can select the descriptor up here as which one you want to be able to fill the whole column at once. So if I clicked on English as a second language, for a lot of our students that's going to be a yes. So we click on the Y, and then you can go ahead and fill all that way. So it's going to fill all of yours, all of the little boxes in this column as yes, and then you can go through and change the ones you need to change if you want to do that way. Then you can move on to another category and fill them all that way if the majority of your kids are dual language, or if you're in mainstream for this one, your kids are going to be, no, we're not in dual language, obviously. But you can fill them all that way. So that kind of saves you a little bit more time. And so then you can have more brain power for the reading, writing, and math. So if you click on your learning attributes, it'll bring you to this page, and you can see there's other indicators on this page. So again, you can click on which descriptor you want, and you can fill them all that way, or you can go through individually each student and do all of the 4 indicators on that page. So be sure whenever you're leaving a page, even just to click to a different section, you really want to make sure that you're saving. So always, always, always make sure you click save. Otherwise, your things are going to go missing, and that's going to not be so fun for you. So you can fill all of these out. This learning attributes, oral expression and listening, reading, reading. I have 2 because I'm in dual language, writing, math, science, social studies, technology, and that's another technology for the other class. If you are missing, sometimes if you get down to math or science or social studies, sometimes a kid isn't in your room, or you have like an extra kid in your room, just send Sandra an email and just say, hey, I'm not seeing so-and-so in math on my report card worksheet, and she can fix it for you pretty quickly. So I think that's about it on that one. Once you're all done with your grades, and please make sure you save. Seriously, it's going to save your life. You can close out that window. Then you're going to click on your fill and validate grades when you're all done. You're going to come here. You want to make sure you're in term 1. You're going to click on your homeroom, whichever that might be. And you are going to make sure all of these are, you want to click all for printing, because you want to make sure that you are getting all of your things here. So you're going to click on the validate final grades. I'm not going to do it right now, obviously, because I am not done with my grades. And then it'll give you a PDF document that you can print. So I think that's pretty much it. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions, or give me a call. I hope you guys have a great day, and good luck with your grades. Thanks!